Hi everyone, my name is Treta.
Hi, I'm Precious.
And I'm Stokely, and we're here to tell you about our experience at the leadership retreat.
That's me. Actually,
Did we see the animal?
I don't remember anything.
I think some people actually went out later on at night, like they went hiking, and I think they saw some, like, I don't know, maybe a coyote or something, or a deer. But I personally did not step out of my cabin after it was 11 p.m., so I did not see any animals.
Yeah, no, I didn't see anything.
I'm trying to think. I don't remember seeing anything. Maybe there was like a bird.
Oh, yeah,
There, of course.
yeah, that's it.
That's really good.
Sure. So many people mentioned bears. Like, so many were actually like scared we
Yeah.
were going to see some
Oh,
bears.
that's actually the one, right?
So yeah.
No bears.
To my
No
disappointment,
bears, no
actually.
cougars.
I know. I was actually, getting
Yeah.
excited to see bears for some very weird reason, and I didn't see any.
So it's good. It was safe. Put it out. It was safe, right?
Absolutely.
Know how to walk on ice. Yeah, that was one, right? So we went out on the lake one night. It was really, really good, right? So it was actually, the lake was frozen, and so we built a fire on the lake, and everybody was around doing roasting marshmallows and making s'mores and everything.
Yeah.
But we also started to slide. So there was everybody started. I don't know if it was a game or what, but everybody was like run, and then just slide on your back, slide into it. So it was really, really good. So you need to learn how to walk on ice. That's a survival skill.
That's really
Everything, yeah, I don't know, everything
That's
was
really
pretty.
Everything else, like, they tell us what to do, so.
You're given instructions on how to do it.
Yeah.
So you're fine.
Like for anyone who wants to go to this retreat, I'm telling you, don't even worry about survival skills. They'll train you right on the spot, okay? It's nothing too technical that, listen, if I can do it, trust me, alright? Anyone can do
But I
it.
think when people think of it, they think of like, it's just like we're probably gonna have like tents, we're just
Where you have to like make tents
it's
or
not,
cut down
it's
trees.
not that dramatic at all.
Yeah, no, it's not that
No,
much.
people actually live there, so it's
Yeah.
not wilderness in a sense.
It's not so bad, but I'm telling you, for survival skills, it's really just having the right attitude, and doing the activities that they do. I think really those are the survival skills that you'd want to incorporate
Follow instructions.
Absolutely, yeah. Follow instructions, absolutely.
for the retreat. So
Yeah. They told us what to do.
yeah. So the help was there, right?
Yeah, they gave us instruction how to do it. They were there, like the staff member and the Humber crew. They were always there with us, doing every activity with us. So it wasn't like they were instructing us. Like they gave us instructions, but like they were doing everything with us. So we didn't really need help with anything.
Yeah.
But again, if you need help, the crew members there, the camp staff is there as well. So yeah.
Yeah, help was there if we needed it, right?
Yeah.
It's just that we didn't really need it because we were so well taken care of. I mean, everything that we wanted to do, right, was done in accordance with time. It was scheduled nicely. Still had our own downtime that we could, go out and walk and explore a little bit, and then come back for food. So it was well organized to the point where all our needs and wants were taken care of.
Thank you for watching our videos, and make sure to check out other ones. Please tell me this is fine.
That's good.